Welcome to Sawlogs Plastic Hubs. This video will be whatever project I'm working on, and I don't do a separate, sometimes I do a separate openings for them, sometimes I don't. Again, it's just a summer opening, and I just wanted to throw one out there, and we'll blend it in. It's probably when I get a chance to sit down and do some videos. There's a lot of upcoming things that you're going to be seeing on these videos, summer projects or whatnot. Once I kind of get back in the shop for the summer, right now that has been occupied a lot. So I hope you enjoy the channel, enjoy the videos, and subscribe and follow. So just jump right on in there. In case you're wondering what my next little project is, I'm going to go ahead and make a base, and we're going to put this vise outside, probably somewhere right along in this area right here, so we can get to it. So that's the plan, and I've got a pipe. I'll get it here in a little bit. Okay, I'm going to saw this, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you, since I haven't shown this, what I'm doing today is making a plate for the outside the other vise. So this is how I attach my portable bandsaw to the table here, so when I'm using it like I'm fixing to, I don't have no issues with it moving. Now, my swag stands, you know, I've slightly modified it. Is basically, it's just a standard swag stand with a battery, and not a battery, but with a switch box, and then I made these to fit this plate. So it's just a little easier. That's how quick it takes to put the plate right on. Okay. All right, I'm going to I've marked this plate. It's going to be 8 by 8 inches. And this is the plate that the vise will sit on. I'm just going to saw it right quick. So what I'm going to do is just flip the mic off so you won't have to listen to all the noise. Okay, I've got it sawed out rough. I'm going to go over here to the sander and hit it. Alright, I've already drilled these and I center punched them. I found the centers on them with the working. Excuse me just a second, I got a problem. Okay, and you hear the air conditioner in the background. So evidently the little laser has burned out of this drill press. So let's see if we got a light screen. It's got a little old bitty LED light on it. This is a little thing right up on it. What? This might be a dull bit. If it's a dull drill, I might have to go get a sharpener. Yeah, it's dull. Just go there. I'm just putting the first hole in it. This is not the bolt hole, by the way. This is the starting hole. We're going to have to go in with the big shank drill. I'm just going to use 2 bolts. This, I think, will be sufficient. I'm going to actually set the mill up and do the other holes because I'm going to have to put something like a little bigger than a 7/16 in it, and the drill press won't get down to about 500 there. Now I'm just going to use the mill like a drill press. Since I've already got these holes started and all, I'm not going to go through the trouble of clamping it up. So what I'm going to do is this is 13/16 holes right here. And I've already started them, so basically what I'm going to do, I just use the mill because I put the speed in it. I'm going to about 200 RPM with this 13/16 drill. Hold me a little bit of the hole in the bolt. Give me a little wiggle room in case I'm off. Because, this is all my guess and my God. We just got a worker in the bottom, so we're going to be good. Maybe up a little bit, but I might go a little smaller in the other hole. I don't want to go flying down through there because obviously I'm just holding this by hand. So you know it's going to grab, so we want to try to be careful. One to get hurt this way real easily. So. Might be just it right there. Leave a little bit in the middle. I'm going to check it. I may need to go a little small. I like to leave a little wiggle room because just for misalignment purposes. Oh yeah, that'll be just fine. See, that way if I'm off a little bit, there's some misalignment involved in this. So basically what I've done, like I say, I'm just using it like a drill press, and the reason I'm doing it this way is getting up to a pretty good size drill, and I don't really need to. And this is fairly thin steel. This is all I've got. And I don't want to just go, like I said, I don't want to, use a drill press, but this teeth says this is way too fast on what the intended use is. I'm going to go out there and I'm going to check my alignment on these 2 holes. and I'll be right back. Right there's my pipe that I'm going to use. You see there's some boogers on it. That was basically, I found this in a scrapyard many years ago, and I used it for a drag behind the disc hole. I'm not going to do no damn gum gardening and discing, so what I'm doing is just sawing it to get it as straight as possible with the bandsaw, so that that I'm able to mount the plate up. I'm not going to bore you with sawing the whole thing. I'm going to let it get through the thick wall. It should start to fly in here in a minute. That's a fairly thick wall on this. It's probably 120, it's probably an 1/8 inch wall pipe. That's some real heavy stuff. I'm going to leave the bugger in the other end because we're going to, once we finish this, we're going to drill a hole, take our post hole digger and more or less dig a post hole and put basically bag of concrete in it to sort of fill it to stabilize it and let it set. But what we're going to do this morning with this little quick project is once I get this done, I'm going to line it up to be welded, and I'm not going to probably get it up today. I'll probably, or the day that I'm working on, I've got some other things I'm going to do. But the first thing is I'm going to get all this done so this could be drying, because I got to paint it. Then we're going to paint it, prime it, paint it, and rust-ole it. All right, that's enough of that. Alright, you can see there I welded the back up. My plate's not exactly flat, and I knew that from the get-go. It had a little bit of a warp in it. When I put the vise on, it should pull it somewhat to what I want. So I'm just only going to put 2 bolts in it. So if you look, this is the whole pipe. Now I'll stand back. I just finished welding it up. You see that booger on the end? I left it. When it goes down into concrete, it'll be just fine. So, that plate was a little warped to start with, so ain't much I could do for it, and I wasn't going to work on it too much. So, I think that'll hold there pretty dang good because I welded it real well. I guess I could cut a gusset or something and put in it. I might still do that, so just don't know yet. Just hold loose. Let me think on it. Alright, I wanted some gussets to increase the strength, and I took a piece of this flat bar and knocked out the floor. One, just rinse and repeat. Well, there's the pole painted. I just finished shooting it here a few minutes ago. It's all painted up. I could have done a better job of lining them gussets up. I kind of got off with them, but hey, they're in there and they will hold. That's all that's important. So Neighbors mowing grass this morning, which I'm gonna put mine off a day or two. Okay, I'm waiting to get me some sacrete, and I'm gonna sacrete this in. May stop today and get it. Going by Lowe's and get me some sacrete and some other stuff that needs another item while I'm out today. So that's what we got going on. Well, there we go. That's the completed project. I just got back from seeing my mother and grabbing some sacrete and concreting the pole up. So this gives me an extra, just put this vise to somewhat I can use it. It's not the greatest vise in the world, but I've got two inside, and if I got a big job I need it, we can grab it. Like I say, I picked this thing up and it's set out in the weather, and you can see it's painted, so it's pretty good. There's a little bit of a warp to it, but it's not going to go nowhere. Once that concrete finishes setting up, that's going to pretty well take care of that. Little simple project. The only thing I really had to buy is a little sacrete. Of course, I did buy the vise, so I must admit to that, but I've had it for a few months now. So, here we go. Hope you enjoy it, and we'll get this on out here for you. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Whatever we've done today, because usually I shoot a close and put together a montage at the end. So this is usually my way of saying thank you. Now, if I haven't said it enough, I will say it. Every subscriber I've got, I appreciate. Appreciate every view I get. Now, do we have the big channel? No. Do we want to have a big channel? Well, I'd be stupid saying I wouldn't be a little jealous if I didn't, but my mode of making these videos isn't to get rich. It is to have fun. So those come along, enjoy the videos and have fun with me, I appreciate it. But please do share it with your friends if they're not subscribers, and bring them over here and let us look at somebody else that's doing this. I'm a career machinist, and I've always liked to make things. So when I'm retired, now I really have plenty of time. Right now, we've been kind of busy with some house projects and stuff, so that's slowed us up here for the last several months. But I hope you enjoy the videos, and I hope you enjoyed today's video. Again, please subscribe. Please tell your friends, and if you are a subscriber, thank you so very much. Have a great day, and we will see you in the next video when I make another one.